You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring, I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you, I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With Mommy and Daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff, I'm Caillou. Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou. That's me.
Caillou goes to the car wash.
Look, Rosie, I drew a happy face.
This is an emergency broadcast authorized by the United States Department of Homeland Security. Please listen carefully and do not turn off your device. This is not a drill. This broadcast is being delivered to all residents of the United States of America for your well-being and safety. Remain indoors and instruct all those present to listen to the following information. At 00 hours this morning, the northeastern United States was hit by a severe rainstorm. The water drops, however, showed abnormal qualities and fell to the ground with the force equivalent to that of a large rock. Despite carrying no additional volume, rainwater across the earth now seems to possess enough force to crush anything within its path. This can include human bones and even man-made structures and trees. All locations with precipitation will be affected by the abnormalities. Marked below are the states with the highest annual precipitation that are considered to currently be high risk. Please be aware that all states will be affected, and every location on Earth that receives rain is also unsafe. Once again, the high-risk states are as follows: Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Mississippi, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and the District of Columbia. The United States government will now relay instructions for your own safety. 1. Listen to all reports, information, and instructions from the National Weather Service and local meteorology services. 2. Stockpile non-perishable food and drinkable water within a safe shelter. Make sure the shelter is on low ground and is not vulnerable to rainfall. 3. Retreat indoors or under a surface during a storm or other weather events. If you see rain clouds forming, seek shelter immediately. The following have been authorized by the United States government. The National Guard of all 50 states have been mobilized and are assisting civilians with supplies, shelter, and evacuations. All flights and aircraft have been temporarily grounded. Any future flights must fly above the cloud line. Evacuations will routinely take place each week to drier states in each high-risk state. Please tune into local stations for more information on the evacuations. All civilians are recommended to evacuate their families to a safer location. Next are the guidelines all citizens seeking to evacuate should follow. The evacuation times this upcoming Wednesday for the largest U.S. cities will be displayed on the sidelines briefly. To facilitate your evacuation, please pack the following items for you and your family. Portable water and food. It is unknown how long the situation will last, or how much time each family will spend in a drier state. Please pack approximately 2 weeks' worth of food and water. Sleeping bags. The National Guard and other government agencies have already begun constructing temporary shelters across dry states and safe locations. Spacing and bedding may become scarce, so prepare accordingly. Portable battery-powered radio and spare batteries. Broadcasts will become important for you and your family's well-being, as well as the way which new instructions will be given. Make sure to regularly tune into news stations for further updates. Official government-issued photo ID and form of identification. Keeping track of all evacuees is important, and government members will regularly inspect each family. It is important everyone possesses a valid form of identification. Please do not resist inspection. If for whatever reason you are unable to provide an ID, there will be consequences subject to the local authorities. If you find you are not capable of bringing an ID, stay at home and follow previous instructions. Container with personal belongings and clothing. Make sure to bring a large backpack or suitcase with your clothing and personal belongings. Families may be forbidden from returning home, and the rain may cause severe damage to items left behind. Please pack only the essentials you need. This broadcast will end in a moment. Remember to follow all official guidelines and instructions. Listen to upcoming broadcasts and alerts on national and local stations. Help your community, your family, and yourself. Stay safe.